Okay guys, time to go shopping. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little embarrassed. I'm not one to blush easily, but I'm a little embarrassed filming in the grocery store, so this is for you guys. Alright guys, so we made it back and we survived the whole filming in public thing. It wasn't as bad or as embarrassing as I thought it was going to be. I think my husband was more embarrassed. You were embarrassed, weren't you?
I was.
So as you can see, we got lots of produce, and I know the big question is, will this last my family for the whole week? And the answer is no, it will not. I hate more than anything going into town to go to the grocery store more than once a week. So I have tried to figure out our system, and I think I have it down. So I basically get all of this fresh produce and we eat this all up by like the fourth, maybe fifth day. It's all gone. And then the rest of the week we eat out of the freezer, because once a month I'll go and buy a ton of frozen vegetables and frozen fruit, and I always have bags of oil-free frozen potatoes in there as well. And those last few remaining days of the week we just eat out of the freezer, and that seems to be working really well for us. Alright, so here we have all the produce. These are my lovely produce bags. I got them on Amazon. I know you guys will ask, so I'll put a link in the description box, but I love them. I like to, reduce the amount of waste if possible. So this is just what I like to do, is bring my own produce bags, and then I can put as much as I need to in them, and they work really great. Okay, so I've got lots of carrots and peas for steaming, onions, salad greens and spinach, these humongous cucumbers, because we make salads all week, limes and lemons, cilantro. I cannot live without cilantro. We've got apples and oranges. These are the fruits that were on sale. These mangoes are my favorite, and they're starting to be in season, and I just love them. So I'm really excited that those are coming out. I spoiled my daughter this time and got her one star fruit. I only bought one because these suckers are expensive. Some bananas, and then 3 bags of potatoes, and these are, I think, 3-pound bags. Yeah, so 9 pounds of potatoes. It should last us probably, I would say, 5 to 6 days, and then we eat frozen potatoes after that. We've got sweet potatoes. My kids love sweet potatoes in the morning for breakfast. Avocado, green onion, beets, lots of squash and zucchini for steamed veggies and rice, some cashews for cheese sauce, some pasta and marinara, brown rice. I need to start buying that in bulk again because we are eating a lot, and we are going to be awesome this week and really try to eat brown rice the whole week. We are trying to like brown rice more. Dried blueberries for granola. My kids like me to make them granola. Mushrooms for mushroom fajitas. More mushrooms. Lots of asparagus. It was on sale. Some canned beans. My beans normally, though, I don't buy canned beans. I normally cook them, but I do always pick up a few cans just in case I need them during the week. some corn tortillas, and a nice, gorgeous French loaf. For the rest of the week, like I said, we switched to eating out of the freezer, and we also use our dry goods. Now, I don't weekly buy beans because I like to buy them in bulk in 25-pound bags once a year because it saves me a lot of money. So I've got black beans and red beans, white beans, pinto beans. I also get my lentils in bulk, and I do need to go back to buying my rice in bulk because that would save me a lot of money as well. So I will just prep my beans on Sundays for the week, and I'll show you guys in another video how I do that. So after we have gotten through all of our fresh produce, then for the rest of the week, to avoid going to the grocery store, we eat frozen veggies. I mean, we steam them, but we eat out of the freezer. So we just steam up frozen vegetables that I get like once a month. And I always have these oil-free bags of potatoes. My kids love these square potatoes, so I'll get the square ones and I'll get the hash browns. So I always have a bunch of frozen potatoes, veggies, and frozen fruit as well in the freezer, and that helps make it so I don't have to get to the grocery store until the very end of the week, because I hate going to the grocery store multiple times a week. Alright guys, so that is pretty much it. I just weekly buy a bunch of fresh produce, and once a month I buy a bunch of frozen veggies and fruit and frozen oil-free potatoes, and we eat our fresh produce for the first 3, 4, 5 days, and then the rest of the week we eat out of the freezer. And that's how I've simplified the whole week for myself and made it so I don't have to go into town to get groceries very often. Well, more than once a week. So yeah, keep it simple. If you want to see how to put meals together, then you can check out my How I Eat in a Day videos, as well as my Starch Solution meals for maximum weight loss. You can also check me out on Instagram at Plentiful Kiki, where I share lots of lifestyle and food inspiration. I'm also on Facebook at the Plentiful Kiki page. All right, I love you guys, and I'll see you next time.